Hey guys, it's Ysabel, and today I have collaborated with Fidm Fashion Club to bring you this tutorial on how to make your own D-ring belts. This project is super inexpensive and a perfect accessory to have for the utility street style trend. You only need two main items to make it happen, so keep watching to see how I got it done. First, you're going to need 1.5 yards of your trim of choice. I recommend choosing something with durability and thickness. I chose this black nylon webbing and a fun textured zebra print. You're also going to need 2 D-rings. Make sure that the width of your trim matches up with the width of the D-ring. Start off by putting the trim through the rings. Then you're going to fold over once and tuck in the end to create a hem. Lastly, you're just going to pin and sew along that edge. After sewing, try on the belt to see how it fits. You can leave the belt long or cut off a few inches of excess trim. Here's how I styled the finished belt. I love how you're able to incorporate this accessory into many different outfits, and most of all, I didn't even have to spend that much. If you want to see how else you can spice up your closet on a budget, be sure to check out the links down below and visit fashionclub.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see all the different belts you guys create.